Okay, so this is basically like the continuation of the Fast API series. So in the last video, we could see a very basic structure of the Fast API, how to create a very basic Fast API, how to start the Fast API app, right, and how to set the metadata information, how to by default, like here it is Fast API, how to update this application name, how to update the version name, how to update this schema path, how to update all this metadata information, and how to put this routes into some tags. So we have look everything. So let me show you the previous file, previous video file. So what we did is we just imported the Fast API, we set the application Fast API, and we have passed so many metadata information like title. So title is a my Fast API version. Let's suppose the version is, it's not version is 0. So if I refresh it, I think so version is 0.0.1, right? And so many metadata information we have passed, but all the metadata information we have passed, we have hard coded everything, right? But generally, in the real life project, this metadata information is not hard coded into within the code. So this can be passed from this some configuration file. So we will see how to create a configuration file and how to pass this metadata information via the configuration file. Okay, so let's create the configuration file with the name config.py and give class name as settings, and just set the variable name, we need the title of the application. So what the title? So let's suppose title is dummy, or what is the title item? My Fast API. Okay, title coming from config file. Okay, now we have to give the version as well. So let's give the version 0.0.1. okay, we can give the description as well. So let's give the description, description. So we can give the description as well. So this is dummy project, this is not for production, description is coming from config file. We can set the name, this name and the email. Name is okay, we can set the email as well. Whatever the parameter we want, we can set here. Okay, so we have like that. So now create the object for the particular class, right? So rather than passing those information into the code, we will pull this information from the configuration file, and in future when we deal with the database, so we will define the database URL within the configuration file rather than the hard coded into the main code. So we have pass all the parameters here, and we have created one object like setting. So let's save it, and now let's open the main file. Now what we will do is we have to import the configuration file. So from config, what we will do, we will import the setting object, right? So we have import the setting object. So now everything we will set from the setting dot title, because like any parameter, like we can access using the dot operator. Setting dot version, setting dot description, okay, and here setting dot name, setting dot email. So rather than hard coded like this metadata information, like we have passed this metadata information from the configuration file. Okay, so object has no attribute description. Okay, so I think let me cross check. Cat config dot p disk. Okay, the spelling is wrong. Nano config dot p file de. What is the spelling of the description? description. Okay, so let's start our app. So using the UBCon server, and the main is the file. So let me show you that as well. So main is our main file, and app is the instance name. If we open the main.py file, so app is our fast API instance name which we want to run, right? And -f reload parameter is just so that we don't have to like trigger the application again and again. So it has been started. So let me refresh it. So now everything is coming from the like title is coming from the configuration file, version is also, description is also like coming, username is also coming. Okay, so in this way like we can like design our project. Cat config.py, we just to define our configuration file, we put in some class, or rather than the class, if you don't want to use the class, just mention like title is equal to this, and we can like get the particular variable name from that particular file. But generally better to give it in a class, and created some object and import the particular object into the main.py file, and this object can access this class parameter property using the dot operator, whether it is a attribute or whether it is a function. It can access using the dot operation, like setting dot title, setting dot version, and same thing like we are like accessing in the main.py file. We just import our config file. From config we are importing the particular object, and we are calling all the attributes like title, version, description, metadata, not metadata, name, email from the configuration. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So this is a like a small video how to like pass the meta, because in the first video like we could see the basic structure of the fast API and how to deal with the metadata. So but in the first video we passed the metadata information within the code, but now we upgraded our code a little bit more, that is we put one more step ahead, and we arrange our project using the configuration file, and from the configuration file we pass the parameter. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.